could just drive them down, drive them out of there, take a cutoff wheel, cut them off. It does not affect anything at all. It really doesn't do anything. So if you're not perfectly flat, a cutoff wheel would work better than this, you know, better than just leaving those broken pieces. What I like to do is go ahead and drive the guide down a little bit out of the way. You can leave it up, but you're just doing more work for yourself by your cutter having to cut the guide. But drive the guide down just a little bit. That way your centering part of the tool can get in there and you can cut it flat.